What's the meaning of coupe? Coupe. Coupe.
Coupe. Coupe. A coupe is a type of car body style characterized by a fixed roof, two doors, and a sloping rear roofline. The term originates from the French word cour, which means to cut. Coupes are typically sportier and more stylish than sedans, with a lower profile and a more aggressive stance. They often have seating for up to 4 passengers, although the back seats may be cramped. Overall, a coupe is a popular choice for drivers who prioritize performance and style over practicality and passenger comfort.